Peaceful Protesters Guidebook, 2020. The government can limit the time, place, and manner of protests. Limits on government power. The government cannot limit the time, place, and manner of protests if the restriction does not leave enough space for alternative channels of communication or speech. The government cannot restrict protests if it does so to limit your message, or the purpose of the restriction is not to protect something like public safety, something which is restricted to a very important government end. Civil disobedience. Civil disobedience means that you will refuse to comply with the law or with law enforcement, such as by dispersing in an area. Civil disobedience can lead to arrest. If you do intend on conducting an act of civil disobedience, it may be a good idea to keep an attorney in the background or on retainer. Recording police. The U.S. First Amendment protects protesters when they record video and audio of on-duty police, especially during a public protest. Police recording you. Police often infiltrate peaceful protests and civil rights organizations. Some appear as undercover, plain-clothed officers. Others may be off-duty. In most cases, protesters and civil rights activists do not have constitutional protections against such government action. This is a Peaceful Protesters Guidebook 2020 by the Celeste Firm, authored by Celeste Firm. Photos by Liam Edwards, Jep Monster, Derek McKinney, and Nathan Dumlow.